guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my channel and my life. So today I have the June IPSY Plus bag. Stay tuned. Okay guys, IPSY monthly beauty subscription box. It has makeup, it also has skincare, so it has both of those kinds of items. We are allowed to choose one item. When they give you the time, you go on, you choose which item you want, and the rest of them are curated by IPSY. So here is the cute little bag. Super cute. I like this. I really do like the cinch bags that they've been having. It used to be they had the zip bag and they're kind of like that plastic feel, but these are cloth and they're little drawstring bags, and they're just really cute to use for different things, or even to give, you know, someone's birthday or something like that. So let me tell you how IPSY works. IPSY has a glam bag plus, and a X bag. So the glam bag is, I think it's $15 a month now. It's either 12 or 15. I do not get that one. The next category is the IPSY Plus bag. I do receive that one. That is what I have today. That is $25 for 5 full-size products. And then there is the new X bag, where it is 8 or 9 products. You do get to curate a little bit of that bag also. It's a very big box for that month, and it is $49. So you have to get either the plus or the regular to get the X bag. So let's start and see what I got, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my glasses, and you guys will always see me in different glasses because I just keep pulling them out. Let you guys know I am legally blind. I see nothing out of my left eye, only out of my right eye. And this is how I shop. I shop by doing subscription boxes because it makes it a lot easier when you're blind to see everything up close. I don't have to go and buy these kinds of things anymore in the store because I'm getting them sent to my home. So I do appreciate everything I get. I also do, so you know, I do travel, I do lifestyle, I do fashion, skincare, beauty, I do vlogs, I just do everything. I let you come into my life, learn about me and my impairment, and see how I live life. So I do live the same as you do, but I do it different. And I would love to have you join my channel and keep up with me and see how I live life. So let's go into our bag and get our first item. Like I said, I can't read print. I have a machine to my right that it's a screen, and you put printed material under it, and then I'm able to read it much better. And I do have an iPad to my left, which is what I'm using because IPSY gives me everything I need to know on the screen. So we will start Murad. Okay, this is my first item. This is a Murad item. These are very costly items. They work very good. I have been using them for the last year. This is called the Skin Smoothing Polish. Retail value is $38. It is full size at 3.5 ounces. It does say it is an exfoliator. Since it is an exfoliator, it gets rid of dead cells, rough patches, that kind of thing. So this would be the exfoliator. That sounds awesome because I do really love their products. This is what it looks like inside. I will also put a picture on the side. I will split screen and put a picture from IPSY. Let me see if it's open. No, not open yet. Let's see what we need to do here. Because I just finished my exfoliator in my bathroom, so I will be needing another one. So we go ahead and open this. I don't use an exfoliator every day. I normally use it a couple times a week, but I don't use one every single day. I have another cleanser that's like a more gentle cleanser that I use on a regular basis. Okay, you guys be laughing at me over here. And I'm sure there was an easy way to do this, but it didn't work for me. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looks like. So it is a light blue color. I don't really smell anything. Oh, I can feel it. It's got that little gritty feel. And it just smells clean. So I can definitely see this as an exfoliator. Yeah, I don't smell anything anymore. So that is my first item. I'm kind of wanting to try this one out. So you know, after you put on the cleanser, I've got to wipe my hand off so I can like try everything as we take it out today. Okay, so that's my first item. Let's see what our second item could be. I've been getting some great brands, guys. This is the Hava brand. I love this brand. Also, I have used lots of their products. Right now, I actually have a sleeping mask that I use at night. The one you just put on and then you leave it on for the 8 hours. And then I have in the shower is a cleanser, which is almost gone. So let's back up here and see what this item says. Active Moisture Gel Cream, $72, guys, $72. So it is 75 ml for the full size, and this is a full size. It is vegan and made with all natural ingredients. Okay, so this would be a facial moisturizer. It says to put on after you do your cleansing, your toning, and your serums, and then you would put this one on as a moisturizer. So I like this item too. I told you it was $72 retail value. Here is the next item. So this is item number 3. This is from Lauren Conrad Beauty. It is a lip gloss and the color is Dawn. Retail value is $18. It is 11 ml full size, and this is a full size. So let's check out what the color looks like. So it does have that little lip area right here. I'm just going to put it on my hand to see if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you can. That's pretty. Okay. Y'all see that? That's super pretty. So $18. It really doesn't feel sticky. Of course, it has that stickiness to it. Like I just wiped it. It has the stickiness to it when you first put it on. But it's not sticky now. Once it's on, I like that. I don't like those ones that you put on and they're so sticky. Your lips are always just sticking together. So this item was number 3. This is item 4. The brand is Maplin, and I might be saying that wrong. Eye cream with vitamin C, and it says quinoa extract. So let me see how much it is. So this would be a full size because eye creams always are just little bottles because you don't need very much at all. Retail value is $39. It is 0.5 ounces, and that is full size. Okay, it is designed to decrease puffiness and dark circles. Okay, so this is one I'm definitely going to use. As a blind person, when I put makeup on, I really can't see how much it actually covers and doesn't cover because I really can't see myself. But I listen to people that put stuff on, especially on YouTube, and I'm able to try and follow them and what they're doing. I'm going to be going to California soon to see my family, and my niece does wonderful makeup, guys. It is just awesome. And she can create characters even, and it's just unbelievable that she has done that with makeup. Her name is Jenny, Jenny, Bussy, Bussee, and I'll link her below in her channel. She has a lot of different things on her channel. She does stuff about like keto, different diets. She talks about the Lord, and she's just a great person to follow. So check her out, guys. Okay, so that was my eye cream. It is not open, so I don't want to open this because I have one open, brand new, just open, and I don't want this to go bad. So that was item number 4, guys. And this is my item number 5. So let's see what it's called. This is a Tarte item, guys. I love Tarte. I love their cover-up stuff. I'm not real sure on how to use it. I will definitely ask my niece when I go there. Sweet. This is what it looks like. It says C Hydrocellar. It says C like S-E-A, Hydrocellar. And it's a concealer. Let's see what else it says. So it is $25 retail value for this item, 6 grams full size. It says it is a lightweight, flexible formula. It says it is a lightweight formula, but covers redness and dark circles. Okay, so it says we can blend with our little sponges that we all use. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and just kind of put it on. You may not even be able to see it, hopefully, because it'll be blending in with my skin. I don't think you can see it. It's right there. It does feel pretty lightweight, though. I don't have a sponge in here, but it says to blend with your sponge. Okay, so I will try this. Not sure what color it is. It doesn't say. It may say on the bottle, but it doesn't say online. Okay guys, 5 items, $25. This was a good box. I definitely got things that I wanted or liked. So this Murad, let me pull it around real quick. This Murad exfoliator was item number 1, and I'm definitely going to be trying that. The Ahava. This is the moisturizer. I also got the lip gloss, the eye cream, and the concealer. So definitely items that I will use. I will always use these. The concealer I can start using now, along with the exfoliator and the lip gloss, because that was also pretty. I'm going to go ahead and save the eye cream though, and the face moisturizer until I am done with the ones I have open. So I just want to say, thank you so much for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it. I am working towards 250 subscribers right now to do my next giveaway at 250. I have a Bolzano bag filled with makeup, skincare, lifestyle, everything, plus the bag. But you need to be subscribed. So, like I told you guys earlier, I do travel. I do unboxings, I do reviews, I do skincare, I do makeup, I do lifestyle, I do videos on blindness. So that is me, my life in a nutshell, right? So if you guys are interested, hit the subscribe below, hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos, and the like button, please, guys. I really, really appreciate that. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.